Okay, so I just want to make a quick video about Hyprland errors. So as you can see, I have a few Hyprland config errors that I still have to actually figure out. But as everyone knows, it's a bit annoying. So if you don't really know what this means, sometimes you just don't know how to figure it out, or how to get to that, how to solve that error. You know, now you have to go to your terminal and then manually type this in. Not your terminal, you go to Google or your favorite AI. You have to manually type that in and figure it out like that. But there is actually a command that can output this to your terminal. If only I knew that earlier. God damn it. So there is a command that outputs it to a terminal. So let's open a terminal. And then let's open my Brave browser. Let's just go to Grok. So say I have an error now. It's some kind of a blur error, and I want to somehow output it to clipboard, or be able to copy it. As you can see, you can't select anything in here or copy it. So let's just get to the command. So the actual command is hyprctl config errors. That's it. So simple. Actually took me half an hour to try to find the file that this was saved in, but apparently it's not being saved in a file. I think it sits in memory, but I could be wrong. What do I know? Right, so that's the command. Let's run that goddamn command. Right, hyprctl config errors. Boom, there it is. Just outputs the errors that's there in your terminal, and now you can just obviously copy them to your favorite AI or Google. Run it and it will give me a solution. Yeah, that was so stupid. I actually created a script. Hilarious. Let's just go to my Yazi. I have to show it now because it took me an hour to actually create a script. Another hour, like half an hour. Right, so if I go to, let's go to my scripts. Hyperconfig errors S8. So I created this goddamn script. But my plan was to let the script actually detect these errors. So as soon as they pop up, it detects it, write it, copy it to clipboard, and then I can just paste it here without doing anything, without selecting it or anything. Just, it's already in clipboard, paste it in. But there's two problems with that. It will overwrite my existing, say I've copied something earlier that I wanted. It will just overwrite your clipboard. And that means this script has to run all the time because of the detection. But luckily there was no way to actually detect when these errors pop up. So the script is pretty useless, I must say. Well, I'm gonna run it anyway. It's in that path now. Oh my god, now I have to type it. How do I type it now? God, where is it? Right, what's it called? I had to give it like a long ass name to why, I don't know. Config errors. Right, there is the little script. Hyprland config errors detected. It outputs it to the screen here. And it tells you what to do. Paste with Control V or whatever, and you can paste it in. Just to show you that it definitely puts it in clipboard. I'm just going to override my clipboard. So as you can see, I've just copied that layer rule. Okay, now it's overwritten. So if I run this script again, it should now put the errors in here, and there it is. But anyway, it's useless, the script. So yeah, just run hyprctl config errors. And if you want to copy it to your clipboard in that command, then w dash copy. But you need to install, I think, clipboard, wl clipboard. But anyway, hyprctl config errors is the command. Damn, I'm so glad for that now. Makes my life much easier. Yeah, like and subscribe if you like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Good.